Are you stuck deciding between Figma and Adobe XD for your design projects? Don't worry, we're about to break down everything you need to know so you can save time and make the right choice. Figma Overview. Figma is a web-based design tool, which means you can access it from any device directly through your browser. One of its biggest strengths is real-time collaboration. Multiple team members can edit, comment, and view changes instantly, making it perfect for remote teams or fast-paced projects. On top of that, Figma has a rapidly growing ecosystem of plugins, templates, and resources, making design easier and faster than ever. Pros of Figma. Web-based, works on any device, real-time collaboration with team members. Vast plugin ecosystem and rapid updates widely adopted by companies and startups. Cons of Figma. Requires an internet connection for full functionality. Can be resource heavy on older devices. Adobe XD Overview. Adobe XD is a desktop application deeply integrated into the Adobe Creative Cloud. This makes it ideal if you're already using Photoshop, Illustrator, or other Adobe apps. It offers robust design and prototyping features, making it a strong choice for Adobe users. Pros of Adobe XD: seamless. Adobe Creative Cloud integration, strong prototyping tools, works offline once installed. Cons of Adobe XD: desktop only, limiting access across devices. Currently in maintenance mode, no major updates are being developed. Fewer collaborative features compared to Figma. While Adobe XD still serves existing Adobe-heavy workflows, Figma has become the dominant design tool. With its real-time collaboration, constant innovation, and extensive ecosystem, Figma is the clear winner for most designers today. So, if you want speed, collaboration, and future-proof tools, Figma is your best bet. But if you live in the Adobe ecosystem, XD might still fit your workflow. Whichever you choose, happy designing.